Hey there, future IELTS champions. Today I'm here to help you ace your IELTS Writing Task 2 and score that coveted 8+ in 2025. I know it sounds like a dream, right? But trust me, with the right strategies and a bit of practice, you can absolutely make it happen. First things first, understand the question. It's crucial to spend the initial 5 minutes analyzing the task properly. Identify the keywords and understand the requirements. Are they asking for an opinion, a discussion, or a solution? Make sure you're clear about this before you start writing. Next up, planning. I can't stress this enough. Spend around 10 minutes planning your essay. Outline your main points and examples before you even write your introduction. This not only keeps you on track, but also helps ensure a coherent and logical flow in your essay. Now let's talk about the introduction. Aim for 2 to 3 sentences. Start with a general statement related to the topic and then narrow it down to your thesis statement. Remember, the thesis statement is your answer to the question and it should be clear and direct. When it comes to body paragraphs, structure is key. Each paragraph should begin with a topic sentence that indicates the main idea. Follow this with supporting details and examples. Aim for 2 to 3 body paragraphs, each discussing a single main idea. And don't forget to use linking words to connect your ideas smoothly. These are your best friends in creating a cohesive essay. Let's not forget the conclusion. Summarize your main points and restate your thesis in a new light. Keep it concise, about 2 to 3 sentences, and avoid introducing new information here. The conclusion is your final chance to make an impact, so make it count. Language and grammar. To score an 8+, your writing needs to be clear, varied, and accurate. Use a range of vocabulary and sentence structures, but be careful not to overcomplicate things. Clarity and precision are more important than trying to impress with big words. And lastly, practice, practice, practice. The more you write, the better you'll get. Get feedback from teachers or peers and work on your weaknesses. Time yourself to get used to the 40-minute limit, and remember, consistency is key. So, there you have it. Follow these tips, put in the effort, and you'll be well on your way to nailing that 8+ in IELTS Writing Task 2. Thanks for watching and best of luck. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more IELTS tips and tricks. See you in the next video.